So hello, welcome everyone, and my name is Dhiman Goswami, and welcome to my channel, The Common Math. So we are solving, CAT problems. So common aptitude test. So let's just delve right into this very interesting problem. So this one is again from 2020 paper, and let's read the question quickly. So it says that the mean of all four-digit even natural numbers of the form AABB, where A is greater than 0 is. So these are the options. Okay, wait, let me just move my palettes a little to the left. Okay, fine. So A, B, C, D, these are the four options. So we need to find the answer. Now, see, one thing you need to understand that in CAT, you don't have much time to solve such questions. Now, if you just put all the numbers and then just add them, it becomes very difficult. So there must be a better way, right? So let's first understand what this means. Okay. So if you want to, take your chance at this problem or want to solve it on your own, then just pause the video and try it. Otherwise, I'm just solving it from this point onwards. So AABB means a number like this, 1122. Since it says even natural number, so the last two numbers has to be 1122, right? It cannot be, so this last number cannot be odd. So if the last number cannot be odd, then it must be B has to be, B has to be equals to 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Okay, these are the options with us. So now what are these numbers? Now let's just consider the numbers very quickly. So the very first number will be 1100, right? Is it 4-digit number 1100? Now in the 1100 only you'll get 1122 is also another number of the AABB form. Then the next one is going to be 1144. Next one is going to be 1166, and the next one is going to be 1188. All right. Same goes for 2000, right? So 2200 it has to be, then 33, like that, isn't it? So dot dot dot. In the middle will come 5500, then 5522, then 5544, then 5566, and 5588. And then same way it will go up to 9, right? 9900 is going to be the last one, 4-digit, because further ahead, if you move on to, then you'll go to 10,000, which is 5-digit, and that is not possible since they're asking us only about 4-digit even natural. So 9900, and the middle one is going to be 9922. This one is 9944. This one is 9966, and this one is 9988. So this is the last number, and this is the first number, you can say 1100 and 998. Now, one thing you need to understand is that, one thing that we need to get here is that you see, let's consider these as columns. So in one column, the difference between the number is nothing but 22, right? This is 22, this is 22, this is 22, right? And this is 22. We just keep on adding 22. And then difference from when you move from one number to the next column, right? When you just shift between rows, so from when you move from this number to this number, there is just a difference of how much? There's a difference of 1100. Okay, same difference is here also. 2200 to 3300 is again 1100, like that. So there are 3 jumps here, okay, to reach to 5500. Okay, and the same thing, 1122 and 2222, there is going to be a difference of 1100 only. Okay, so they are well spaced. Actually, these numbers are well spaced. So the mean is nothing but going to be the median only in this case. Are you getting it? Because they are well spaced and equidistant from each other, and the columns are equidistant from each other. Fine. So let's first just consider this, that this is a column, This is the last column, and then this is our first column, right? So there are 9 columns. So the middle one of the 9 columns is nothing but the fifth one, right? And there, since they're equidistant from each other, so the fifth column is going to be our column where we are going to get the mean. Now, in the fifth column, we can notice, easily notice that the fifth column, we can notice that again there are 5 values: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, since they are again equidistant from the middle one, see, this is 22 minus, this one is 22 plus. Are you getting it? What I'm trying to say here is that 5522 is just 22 minus from 5544, and 5566 is just 22 added to 5544. So if you just so are you getting it? So the addition and subtraction, the dispersion from each other, when you add them up for finding the mean, will just cancel them out. So therefore, this becomes our ideal option, 5544. Okay, and so A is the answer. Are you understanding now what's happening here? For further, if you want a further solution, so this is the best way to understand it actually. So how they're equally spaced, and since they are equally spaced and they've got equal difference from each other, so that's the reason why we can follow this thing. Since only and only because why we can do this in this case is because this data, if you consider this as data points, and this data is not skewed actually. So if it would have been skewed, then the mean would have been a different number. It would have, bent it towards some other number. But since their distance is pretty much equivalent, so they are moving like this. So they're symmetric about a point. So therefore they're symmetric about 5544. It's going to come out like this. Understand? Okay. I hope it was helpful. So if you still have any further doubts, just post a comment and I'll get back to you. You can also join my Telegram channel. Please put a like and do subscribe to my channel, because there are going to be cool more problems that we'll be solving here. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.